It's Sean Bailey and welcome to this video today where I'm going to show you how to get your hands on a free copywriting course. Now the reason I'm making this is probably a lot of people don't actually know about this copywriting course. So here's the steps involved. 1, go over to Funnel Scripts and log into it and jump into your dashboard. Once you're under the main dashboard, click on bonuses underneath and it's going to expand out. Step 3, click on where it says Copywriting Secrets Masterclass. And step 4 is go in and access the secrets. Now, I want to make sure that you pay attention to 3 specific items that he refers to during this masterclass here. Secret number 1 is the ultimate bullet formula. If you know how to write bullets, trust me, the world is your oyster. It's one of the most important skills you can learn when it comes to copywriting. Secret number 4 is awesome because you're going to learn what really sells people. Honestly, it's kind of like the 80-20 rule. These 3 things are the 20% that you really need to pay attention to inside this course. I know because I've gone through it. And secret number 9 is how to write an amazing sales letter fast, right? Gary Halbert once said that every problem is just one sales letter away from being solved. And step number 5 is to go and actually get into this content. There are videos, you can download the slide deck, there's even an audio version of it. However you need to take it and get a hold of it and ingest it, it's there for you inside this masterclass. Now the cool thing is that there's 6 different video sections inside here and they're each over an hour long. Like there's a ton of content in here, and I can tell you what, as a AWAI certified copywriter, I definitely approve of what this is. I've gone through the entire thing, went through the course myself, and it is awesome, and you get it inside of Funnel Scripts. But you might say, you know what, I don't have Funnel Scripts, and I say that's okay. Don't run out and pay for Funnel Scripts. Go and invest in Funnel Scripts, right? And what I mean by that is go and use the Funnel Scripts side hustle training to cover your investment in Funnel Scripts. Right? This is going to show you essentially how to get Funnel Scripts for free. Now there's no hack or cheat code or Russian collusion that's going to show you how to get this course for free. Right? What I'm going to show you is how to, instead of having it be a payment that goes out, you have it become an investment where you see a return on your investment. Right? Well, this is what I mean. You're going to see how to use Funnel Scripts to pay for Funnel Scripts. Inside this training that I've got for you, you're going to see the exact same method I've used to get other people to pay you to use Funnel Scripts. That's an actual screenshot from one of my dashboards that shows you that $399.20. So if you had 2 of those, that would completely cover your investment in Funnel Scripts. Now, it's not just a video training inside here. You're actually going to get an entire side hustle funnel that you can just one-click right into your ClickFunnels account and put in this exact same funnel that I've used. Also, inside the Funnel Scripts side hustle training, you're going to get a done-for-you swipe file. This is the exact same email broadcast that I sent out that generated immediate action from my email list. But if you don't have a list, you can send it out to whomever, your email list, your Facebook group, your social media community. You can even send this to local businesses. Trust me, this thing works like magic. You're also going to get a presentation guide here. So I'm going to show you how, when you are pitching your Funnel Scripts side hustle to a potential client here, this is going to show you how to build a relationship with them, how to pitch your side hustle to them like a pro. You'll also see how to close the deal and get your first side hustle started, and most importantly, how to make sure that you get paid. You're also going to be able to avoid the mistakes that I made. I've met with a lot of potential clients on a lot of online meetings, and I know what the most common objections are, and I'm going to show you how to handle them like a pro. You'll know exactly what to say word for word. You can practice these in advance so that it's smooth when you deliver. Print it out, keep it handy so that you never feel flustered or get caught flat-footed like I did. And the great thing is this is just one part of what you get inside my Funnel Scripts Fast Track bonus training. I give you a complete walkthrough of Funnel Scripts and how to use it effectively. You're going to see the instant offer outline, how to create powerful offers instead of just trying to sell a product like everyone else. You're going to get a certified copywriter show you how to take an average headline and turn it into a head-turning headline that people can't resist reading further into your sales letter. You get, of course, the Funnel Scripts side hustle, which shows you how to use Funnel Scripts to pay for Funnel Scripts, right? Because no one wants to pay money and not have it come back. We want to invest in Funnel Scripts, right? You're also going to get the emotional sales copy template that you can use to fill out because people buy on emotion and justify that purchase later using logic. So you have to appeal to emotion first, right? You're also going to get the OPC Insider video. OPC stands for other people's copy, right? And what this is that your ideal customer or prospect has already put into words their fears, their frustrations, what they want out of your product. All you have to do is go take those words and copy them into your own sales messages, and I show you where to go find it. And last but not least, you're going to get the actual side hustle funnel. This is a funnel that you can import directly into ClickFunnels, so you don't have to worry about any funnel building. I've done it all for you. You just one click and boom, put it inside. So all you have to do is just click on the link on the screen or below in the description, or go over to seanbailey.com/fast track and get started right now. And I will see you inside.